Yes, get ready for the non-stop dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. It also corroborated this fact that when their buffaloes entered the agriculture field of Pannalal, his wife started abusing them. Pannalal went inside his house and came out with his lakri and inflicted a blow on the legs of his father. The defense has tried to assail the credibility of all these eyewitnesses for COG PW2 and Tasveer Meena PW17. It is argued that they both excludes the presence of each other. COG PW2 also excludes presence of Devraj at the place of occurrence because in cross examination he has stated that when they lifted Mohanlal in injured condition from the place of occurrence, Devraj PW8 was seen coming from the side of the village with his cattle. As far as Sioji is concerned, the first version given by him to the police in Exhibit D2 was that he was grazing cattle in the field of Mohanlal, who at the time had come there to take bath on the hand pump, which was also situated in his own field. When accused attacked Mohanlal, Tasveer Meena PW17 raised hue and cry. On hearing this, both Ramkumar and COG came there. The fact that police statement of COG was recorded on the very next day cannot be said to be with any delay given the fact that FIR was registered in evening of 11th May 2009 and police might have been busy in the proceedings of post-mortem and other initial stages of investigation. COG in that very first version to the police had specifically attributed the head injuries of the deceased to Pannalal and Hariom both, although in earlier part of the statement he alleged involvement of many other accused, but when it came to specific allegations in the court statement again, COG has alleged that Pannalal inflicted a lathi blow on the head of deceased Mohanlal and Hariom inflicted a lakri blow on his head. Then he has attributed subsidiary role to the accused Briz Mohan and Syam of causing injuries on the knees of the injured. He again stated that Pannalal also caused injuries on the thighs and chest of the deceased. Even if, therefore, we were not to rely on the statement of Tasveer Meena PW17, daughter of Ram Kumar, which has been recorded with delay of 21 days, and a statement of Devraj PW8, which has been recorded with delay of 15 days, the testimony of COG, which finds corroboration from the post-mortem report, should be enough to sustain the conviction of the accused appellant as the deceased received 9 injuries. Devraj PW8 has stated that he was at his house and her mother asked her to call her father, who had gone to the field in order to take bath at the hand pump. installed in their agriculture field. While he was proceeding towards the field, he saw accused Pannalal and Hariom Patwari beating his father Mohanlal by lathis. In the earlier part of the statement, he has stated that he was at his house, but in later part he has stated that he was in the agriculture field. If we critically examine the statement of COG PW2, he has stated that initially, when Tasveer raised hue and cry, it was only Ramkumar and he. This witness himself reached there and saw the incident, but Devraj came later on. COG, however, admits the presence of Tasveer from the beginning of the incident, and in cross examination he states that when they were going with the injured to the police station oblique hospital, at that time Devraj was seen coming with cattle from the side of village. This part of the statement of COG, when read along with own statement of Devraj, where he stated that before going to the place of incident he was at the agriculture field, proves that Devraj reached at the place of incident immediately after his father had been given beating, but his presence from the inception of the incident to describe him as an eyewitness may not be free from doubt. Tasveer PW17, the young girl who was claimed to be an eyewitness in the written report itself, has supported the case of the prosecution even when her father has been turned hostile. She has stated that Pannalal, Dhannalal, Hari Om, Rajaram, Puranmal, Om Prakash, Hari Om, son of Ram Narayan, Bajrang Lal, Madan Lal, Braj Raj, Ramcharan, and Shyam Sundar were beating the deceased Mohan Lal by lathi. Stop. Over.